Going out tonight changes into something red. Her
Now I will
mother
explain about my project. My project is about anti-snatch thief. So we will put this Arduino into a bag, and then we will know whether the thief will snatch the bag, and it will alarm to our handphone. So basically now I will do only the first part, which is the Arduino part. The website part is not finished yet. So let's test our circuit first. So our flowchart is like this. We will start with the start, and then it will go to the push button. Whether the push button will identify yes or no. If yes, it will turn on the LED, and if the vibration occur, so it will turn on the buzzer and send to our website. If not, the LED stays same, still turn on, and when the push button is off, it will make the LED turn off, and the vibration will not infect anything. So now we will focus on our circuit. Let's do the push button first. So I will turn on the push button. So the LED will turn on. Then we will see our sensor whether the vibration is okay or not. So if the vibration occur, the buzzer will turn on and will produce sound buzz. So we will know the snatch will scare and will not try to steal our things. So basically we have download Arduino things. We will need to coding. Since we cannot see in the computer, let's see in our book. So this is the coding. I have defined all the LED pin that we need to use. Then we need to set up as our pin mode, where is the input and where is the output. So next is our system in the loop. So it will start with the push button, whether it will be the push button, whether it's high or not. If the push button is high, then it will turn on the LED. If the vibration occur, if the reading is more than threshold, because we have said before the threshold is 500, so the sensor will produce, the vibration sensor will produce the threshold more than the normal threshold. If the reading is more, the digital write, we will write the buzzer to turn on, so it will produce some noise. Next, it will delay just like that, because we cannot make the buzzer still on. So if then we will go outside the loop, the digital write will make the LED pin turn off if we turn off the push button. So that's all for me. Thank you for listening. I hope you can enjoy my video. Thank you. And after this, I will make the second tutorial, which is I will put Wi-Fi module 8266 ESPN through my Arduino. So we will see soon.
Find table space to say